Hi everyone, this is Ameer Hamza. I'm the Senior Project Manager for Yellow Door Energy. Yellow Door Energy is one of the leading energy developers based out of UAE, but we are working currently in 7 different countries across the entire MENA region and in South Africa. Today we will be doing an independent review of Sungrow 125 kilowatt inverters, for which we have utilized for our rooftop installations of solar PV modules here in KSA. The installation process, of course, the product in itself is handy with regards to its usability, with regards to how the installers can work around with it. And how you can mount them on a customized mounting structure. So it went very smoothly. The fact that they come in a palletized manner, they are, and their lifting mechanism is clearly defined by the OEM. You have specific handles made very, let's say, for convenient lifting. So all of these things made the process of installing these inverters, which are of course heavy equipment, on a very customized mounting structure. It was a breeze for us, and we were able to do it without any incident. So Sungrow inverters, they have proven themselves with regards to performance, and with regards to the numbers that we have had for almost a year of the operation of this project. The performance numbers are perfectly fine. While the performance numbers of Sungrow would be comparable with Huawei, these companies, as I said, the strength is the fact that they, while providing a quality product, they are price competitive as compared to Huawei. They, while the price difference would not be ridiculously high, but still it is a competitive edge that they have over Huawei. So I think that's a strength. And the other strength that they have is that they have ready stock material available here in Saudi Arabia, which means quicker delivery times. And I've experienced this not for just this project, but other projects as well, where I had zero stress about the delivery times from Sungrow about the inverters. So because I knew that they would be able to expedite the delivery due to the ready stock availability of this. Another contender for me when I'm picking the products would of course be a Huawei inverter. And Huawei is one of the leading players in the sector. However, Sungrow until now has been price competitive as compared to Huawei, and one of the major reasons for us for picking Sungrow for this specific project was the fact that they were cost competitive as compared to Huawei. However, now we have other entrants in the market, for example, Senning and Goodwe, who are even more price competitive as compared to Sun. We had 13 inverters, and one of them having some kind of manufacturing fault. We were not expecting this from a product like Sungrow, because that's not our usual experience with them. Immediately they opened a remote monitoring and diagnostics ticket. They started observing the behavior of the inverter. Eventually, it was determined that there is a issue. While it was still performing, it was not. We were seeing some clippings. So it was determined that the power board of that specific inverter would need replacement. And I'm happy to report that Sungrow, without going to the root cause analysis, without doing all of those, they replaced the inverter, and then they did their R&D and everything, so that they were able to minimize my downtime. They were able to minimize my, let's say, exposure with regards to energy guarantees that I had given to the customer. They were quick to respond and get that fixed. With regards to weakness, I think they could still work on the customer service, post-sale service through their channel partners. They could improve that, the response times. They could improve, have spares readily available for designated for key accounts that they have in the market. If they could do that, that would be an amazing step forward for them. We already have lodged a warranty claim with them, and there was no, let's say, request for additional cost. There was no request for replacement costs or anything of the sorts. The warranty claim process was relatively smooth. We were happy with the response time, and happy to report that no hidden costs or recurring expenses have been incurred so far, even when we raised the warranty claim. So if you were to move from Sungrow, it would be for Huawei inverters. My score for the Sungrow 125 kilowatt inverters would be as follows. So for installation and usability, it's a high 4.5. For performance, it's a 4. Build quality and durability, again, I think it would be a 4. The value for money is, I would rate it a good 4.5.